Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and in today's video I'm sharing a couple of embellishments that I made using this Silent Night paper from Recollections, and it's very hard to find the pretty pink Christmas stuff where I live, so I wanted to give this pad a try, and because there's not too much of this sort, I needed to make some of my own embellishments, but you can see all the beautiful paper I have to work with here. So I'll share with you what I made, and first I'll show you the components I used. I made this rosette first, and I used the flocking powder, which you definitely need to triple dip. Any color that was underneath it, even these soft pale colors, it was really hard to make it come up like this soft effect, and it almost looks blurry. It's so white and soft and fluffy, and I absolutely loved it. So, and I just used some scissors to cut around the end because I don't have any rosette dies. And I also used the word "Let It Snow" from this pack of borders that I had bought a long time ago, so the font and the size was just perfect for this project. And I also used a snowflake punch, and it's a really pretty snowflake. And I also used some of that like snow tool as part of the background. So yeah, and so here's the first one that I made, and as I said, I only made 2 of them, and I really love how they turned out. And I did make shaker clouds too. I forgot to share that. I did that first. And Tony from Craftpurges has a really good tutorial on how to make these small, intricate shaker embellishments. So if you're interested in checking that out, link the video down below and tell her Renee from Wanna Scrap sent you over. But it's an awesome tutorial. I just gotta get better at tamping it all in, but it makes making shakers a whole lot easier. So I'm really having a lot of fun making a lot of shakers right now. So I just topped it up with one of those snowflakes and one of those snowy crusted rosettes, and the tool on the back, and the snowflake with the pom-pom, and I love it. And here's the second one. It's pretty much the same. I just used a couple different papers and a little bit of a different sequin mix, and yeah, so much fun. I really enjoyed making these. And on the back you can either put a cover on it if you're gifting it, or if you want to turn it into a tag. I didn't do it on the other one because I'll just be using it on a project anyways. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this share today, and thanks for watching everybody. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.